Teaching in Australia, a complete guide. Your step-by-step pathway from registration to permanent residency. Australia urgently needs teachers. Overseas educators are in high demand. This guide will help you navigate each step of the process. Step 1. Apply for AITSL skills assessment to verify your teaching qualifications and work experience. Gather your academic transcripts, proof of teaching, and identity documents for the AITSL application. You'll need to pass an English test like IELTS Academic or OET to meet registration and visa requirements. For teachers, most states require IELTS scores of at least 7.0 in each band or equivalent OET results. Next, complete teacher registration in your chosen state or territory, each with its own requirements. Early childhood, primary, secondary, and special education teachers all follow a similar pathway for assessment and registration. Vocational TAFE teachers can apply with trade qualifications and industry experience, plus teaching credentials. For PR, consider the Skilled Independent /189 visa. No sponsor required if you meet the points test. Skilled Nominated 190 or Regional 491 visas offer state or regional sponsorship for eligible teachers and their families. Employer-sponsored visas, such as the Temporary Skill Shortage 482, can lead to permanent residency through the 186 pathway. Indian teachers, check that your qualifications and experience match Australian standards before applying for assessment. Join education forums and connect with overseas teachers in Australia for insights and job opportunities. Your Australian teaching career is waiting. Start your application and take the first step toward a new future.